Hey folks, Gary Weems here, General Manager, Doggett Toyota of Beaumont, coming to you live from our TRD Pro Shop. Got something to go over today. All right, folks, I'm sorry I'm hiding in the shade in our little oasis on the lot here. I'm going to go over my 2024 Tundra with y'all, specifically the suspension and specifically the rear suspension from TRD that we just put on it. Okay, folks, this has been an ongoing project. This is my personal 2024 SR XK70 Series Tundra. And I'm going to go over the suspension today, starting at the front. All right, so on the front, we have the Toyota TRD suspension kit. It's also in the rear, but we modified that a little bit for the weight on the vehicle. And you can see right here, we have the TRD upper control arm, springs, all that. On my to-do list is to get the red anodized upper control arms, but I haven't done that quite yet. Okay, in the back, we've added the TRD rear arm assembly kit, which we're going to go over. It's 5 pieces, as well as a few other modifications. All right, to complement the TRD lift, we went ahead and added some 18-inch methods and some 35-inch KO2 tires. I went with 18s instead of 17s to allow room for the power brake system to be put in here. And we did that because when you go to 35s and you start adding bumpers and all that stuff on the truck, you're adding weight to the car, and the centrifugal force is amplified, and the force needed to stop it is increased. So we went and upgraded the brakes. So we talked about earlier the TRD lift kit from the factory. The only thing I modified on that was the springs. I went with Dobinsons springs plus 2 inches plus 1,300 pounds. And we've done a video on those in the past, which we'll attach down below. Now, this is not suspension related, but everybody's going to say, where did it go? So right here's your hanger for your rear exhaust. And if you'll notice, there's no rear exhaust here. With this high clearance bumper that I have, I didn't want it hanging down and getting ripped off. So we went with a titanium over axle dump right here, which increases your ground clearance. It's titanium. It just gives it a nice clean look. Okay, so what we wanted to talk specifically about today was the rear suspension and the TRD rear arm assembly kit. It comes in 5 pieces, 2 uppers, 2 lowers, and 1 lateral. All right, now it's a 3-part paint process on these. They're solid aluminum billet. They are anodized, powder coated, and clear coated. The thing about these, and I'm going to hold up what we took off next to them, is the factory bar by no means is not substantial, but this is hollow tubing. These do add about 10 pounds of weight, but they're significantly stronger, and the finish isn't going to degrade over time. And again, here's what we took off, what we put on. These lowers, it's the same part number for both sides, but you do want the TRD facing outside. The uppers we took off and the uppers we put on. Again, everything in that nice red anodized solid aluminum. Does add about 10 pounds, but I think it's a great look. Very, very strong. And again, it's going to last as long or longer than your truck can finish. On the lateral arm, because of the configuration of my truck, all the modifications I've done, I had to add a Dr. KDSS bolt on track correction kit, and we'll attach a picture below before and after, but basically this corrects the geometry of the truck. So you'll see in the before pictures that these were hyperextended over here, and these were all compressed, and now everything's sitting nice and level. All right, thanks for watching, folks. Again, this is Gary Weems with Doggett Toyota of Beaumont, Texas. For anything and everything you can imagine, full drive or Toyota related, we got you. Come see us.